Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain a brief about infrastructure as code. So let's get started. Infrastructure as code, which is in short called IAC, is a way to manage computing infrastructures. For example, servers, databases, and networks using code. So basically, we are using code to manage the resources. It's a bit like writing a recipe for how you want your infrastructure to be set up so that it can easily be replicated and managed. Using ISC has a lot of benefits like making it easier to scale your infrastructure up or down as needed and making it more consistent and predictable. Plus, by using code to manage your infrastructure, you can treat it like any other software project with version control, testing, and continuous delivery. There are a lot of different tools and programming languages you can use to implement ISE depending on your needs and preferences. Some popular options include Terraform, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, and CloudFormation. You can also use any language you are comfortable with, like Python, Ruby, or Go, to write your infrastructure code. When using IAC, it is important to follow best practices like writing modular, reusable code and testing your infrastructure as code that just like you would be doing it with your own software or other software. With a little practice, you will find that managing your infrastructure with code is a powerful and flexible way to build and maintain your system.